We're glad you're here. How many teeth does he have?
He has his first tooth.
Great. A child should come see the dentist when they get their first tooth.
What else should I be doing to protect his teeth?
For a healthy mouth, lift the lip and look for chalky white or brown spots. Brush baby's teeth twice daily with a smear of toothpaste. Put baby to bed without a bottle and wean him at 12 months. Feed him a healthy diet with fresh fruits and vegetables and limit sweets and sodas. Find out if your baby needs fluoride treatments to protect his teeth.
Visit napper.org to find a dental clinic near you.